Hey everyone, how's it going? So Chinese New Year is coming up, and this year is the year of the tiger. So I want to show you guys how to draw a cute, easy Chinese New Year tiger. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our little cartoon New Year's tiger, we're going to begin right here at the eyes. So I'm going to start here by drawing a little line that's just going to curve up and then down. And then we'll draw a little line that's just going to go down and then up. Next, we'll leave some space. We'll do the same thing. We're going to draw a little line that's going to go up and then down, and then one that's going to go down and then up. Right inside of here, we're going to draw a little circle, and then we'll draw a little circle right inside of here. Next, I'm just going to color these in real fast. Now starting here, I'm going to make a little line across for the top of the nose. And I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and then up, kind of like an upside down triangle. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then it's going to curve up. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go down and then we're going to curve up. And then right here, we'll draw a little smiley face. Now up here, let's make the head. So I'm going to begin up here by drawing a little sad face right across the top. And then I'm going to make a little line that comes out on each side. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to make a line that's just going to curve down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and it's going to come around. So then the same thing here. I'm going to go down and then I'm just going to curve it around here. Now starting in here, I'm going to draw a little line and then another little line, and you can see I left space on each side. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up and then it's curved down. Do the same thing here. We're going to go up and then we're just going to curve down. And then we'll just connect this line across. Now, starting down here, I'm going to make a little circle shape, or I should say part of a circle. So starting here, I'm going to begin by drawing a half circle shape right here. We're going to leave some space, and then I'm going to make another half circle shape right here. Starting here, I'm going to draw 3 little bumps on each side. So we'll do 3 here, and we'll do it over here too. We'll do 1, 2, and then 3. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line across, and then we'll draw another line across here. And then we'll draw a little line up and a little line up. Now starting here, I'm going to draw 1, 2, and then 3 bumps. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're going to draw 1, 2, and then 3 bumps. Then we're going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then up. And another one that's just going to go down and then up. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes across. And then we'll make a little line that just kind of connects at the top. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve around. We're going to curve it around and then come back. Now we just want to add some stripes in here. So starting here, I'm just going to make some little stripes that come across the side of the face. So we're just going to go down and then come back. Next, we're going to make some lines that just kind of go down and then back up here. Next, we're just going to make some long little lines that come across here, and we're just going to connect them at the top. Then we're going to draw a couple more little stripes right here on the side. And then right here we're going to make a little circle shape at the bottom of each foot. And then we'll put some smaller circle shapes up here. Now on the tail, I'm just going to make some little wavy lines that come down the tail, and these will be the stripes on the tail. And then right here on each toe, we're just going to color in a little black oval for like a little claw. And then right down here, I'm going to put a couple more little triangles for some more stripes. And then I'm also going to put some little triangle shapes and some more little stripes right around here on the eyes. And then I'm going to put a couple more underneath here too. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Happy New Year tiger. You can write some different things on here. You could put Happy New Year on here, or you could do lots of stuff. You can also add little dots on here for whiskers, whatever you want to do. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.